Running your business and keeping up with today's increasingly strict food safety standards using pen and paper can be challenging and time-consuming. Until now, existing software in food production has been expensive, complex, and designed for workers in the office instead of workers on the floor. So, Caddy set out to change that. Caddy moves your operations from pen and paper to the cloud by automating your everyday workflows using simple digital forms to unlock smarter decisions for better food safety and traceability. In doing so, Caddy helps to save money by reducing product waste and payroll costs. Save time spent on manual traceability. Keep your teams connected and all your data organized in one place, and keep your floor operators confident and productive. Looking to learn more? Schedule your demo now and see how Caddy can make your life easier.